I am Manzoor Hussain with a message addressed to the Prime Minister of Pakistan Mohammad Imran Khan in Manzoor Discovery Channel. Friends, share this video as much as possible so that the message reaches the Prime Minister. Sir, after the request, it is requested that Islamic provisions have a special significance in the 1973 Constitution. The Islamic provisions state that no syllabus will be made against the Quran and Sunnah. But the situation is that the entire curriculum of the solar system has been built against more than 100 verses of the Holy Quran, and many hadiths. The Quran and the hadiths contain the subject of the movement of the sun, moon and stars. While there is no evidence of the movement of the earth, about 250 years ago, the Quran was declared a liar by presenting false theories and practicalities of the solar system. And the joys were celebrated. But alas, the scholars stared like spectators. He did not advocate the Quran and the hadiths. Therefore, the Earth is neither revolving in its axis nor in its orbit, but the entire first heaven revolves around the Earth. I have hundreds of practical proofs of the Holy Quran and many hadiths. I challenge the whole world to face me in front of the media and the judges. I request the Prime Minister that there is no room for anti-Islamic theory in this God-given nation. It would be your great pleasure to remove the anti-Islamic theory from the curriculum of Pakistan and include the theory in accordance with the Holy Quran and hadiths.